Today we are going to present more flashcards. This questions that may be on your real estate test. The topic of today will be agency, brokerage, and ethical considerations.
Brokerage defined. Business of bringing buyers and sellers together in the marketplace. Broker licensed to assist others in real estate transactions. May receive compensation for those services. Brokerage roles. Salesperson. Principal. Agent. Commission. Client. Customer. Buyer's broker. Transaction broker. Agency. Role of broker as the agent of the principal. Fiduciary relationship. Within the requirements of the law of agency, fiduciary relationship is one of trust and confidence. Types of agency. Universal agent. General agent. Special agent. Fiduciary responsibilities. Care. Obedience. Accounting. Loyalty, confidentiality. Disclosure. General duty of fair dealing. Broker-Salesperson Relationship. Salesperson is responsible to the broker under whom he or she is licensed. Salesperson has no authority to make contracts or receive compensation. Salesperson is agent of the broker and subagent of the principal. Independent contractor versus employee. Broker's compensation. Percentage or flat fee. Ready, willing, and able buyer. Broker may be entitled to a commission even if transaction is not consummated. Procuring cause. Meeting of the minds. Always negotiable. Salesperson's compensation. Determined by mutual agreement between broker and salesperson. Salary or commission, split. Salesperson's share of commission. Must be paid by the broker. Within 10 days of receipt by the broker. Creation of agency with sellers and buyers. Created by written employment contract. Special agency relationship. Best to create by written agreement. Between a broker and a seller, exclusive listing agreement. Between broker and a buyer, exclusive buyer agency agreement. Disclosure of agency. Consumer Information Statement, CIS. Required before any discussion of motivation or financial situation. Sellers and buyers. Landlords and tenants. Not required. For short-term rentals. For commercial buildings or multi-unit apartments. Buyer as principal. Use written employment contract. Payment of fee does not create agency. Payment options. Retainer. Flat fee. From listing agent split. Dual agency. Broker represents both parties. In same transaction. At the same time. Legal if property disclosed. Agent cannot provide highest level of loyalty. Dual agency is legal in New Jersey if the broker must disclose legal duties that will and will not be available from the agent. Any other business relationship that might affect the proposed transaction. Obtains buyers and sellers written, informed consent to the brokers acting as a dual agent. Advises that each party may want to consult a lawyer. Dual agency and conflicts of interest. Situations when seller's agent comes to identify with the buyer and furnishes encouragement, advice, and assistance to the buyer. Negotiation and compromise. Claims of damages when transactions fall through. Agent purchasing seller's property. Agent has indirect interest in the transaction. Disclosure issues. Material information. Defects in physical condition. Important to the buyer. Licensee and sellers must disclose defects. Cannot be discovered by reasonable inspection. Water seepage, sloping floors. Unused oil tanks in basement. Disclosure issues. Latent defect is one not discoverable by ordinary inspection. Off-site conditions. New construction notice. Megan's Law. Misrepresentations. Puffing versus fraud. Fraudulent misrepresentation. Negligent representation. Innocent misrepresentation. Avoid misrepresentation. Never present opinion as fact. Refer questions to expert. NJ Consumer Fraud Act prohibits misleading, fraudulent, scam practices. Fines up to $10,000 for first violation. Some exemptions. Antitrust laws. Illegal price fixing. Allocation of customers or markets. Penalties are severe. Sherman Antitrust Act. $1 million fine and/or 10 years in prison. Plus legal costs, fees, and treble damages. Ethics, liability, and disciplinable offenses. Breach of fiduciary duties. Failure to observe standard of care. Conflict of interest. Misrepresentation. Numerous offenses may result in fines or suspension or revocation of license. Defense against claims of liability. Errors and omission, E&O, insurance. Dual contracts. Ethics. Professional organizations. National Association of Realtors, NAR. Code of Ethics. Realtor. National Association of Real Estate Brokers, NAREB. New Jersey Realtors Registered. Designations. Thank you. If you like this kind of material, please subscribe for more videos like this.